Welcome the R channel. Today we how to manage HR tasks with BambooHR step by step clearly. To manage HR tasks effectively with BambooHR, begin by logging into your BambooHR account. Once logged in, you will see the dashboard, presenting an overview of your HR metrics. Navigate to the Employee tab to access individual employee profiles. Select the employee you want to manage to view their details. In the employee profile, review essential information like contact details and job title. To edit employee information, click on the Edit button located at the top right of the profile. Make necessary changes and ensure to save your updates. Next, to manage employee time off, navigate to the Time Off section in the dashboard. Here, you can set up accrual policies and review time off requests. To create a new time off request, click on Request Time Off, fill in the details, and submit. For performance management, go to the Performance tab. Set up performance reviews by clicking on Start a Review and defining the criteria. Invite relevant stakeholders to participate in the review process. To manage onboarding tasks, head to the Onboarding section. Customize onboarding checklists to ensure new employees have a smooth start. You can also track task completion through the onboarding dashboard. To generate reports, click on the Reports tab in the main menu. Choose the type of report you want to create and select the necessary filters. Once you're satisfied with your selections, generate the report and review the insights. For payroll management, navigate to the Reports section again. Select Payroll to view payroll data and verify accuracy before processing. Finally, always keep employee data secure by regularly reviewing user permissions under the Settings tab. Through these steps, managing HR tasks with BambooHR becomes streamlined and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.